And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The Bitcoin price is dumping once again. And unfortunately for the Moon Boys, things may only just be getting started here, and we need to discuss why. So let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. First up, we're going to start here with this chart showing the weekly crypto asset flows in number of millions. This chart is from Bloomberg and CoinShares. And you can see here, folks, that this data goes up to the 14th of January 2022. Now, obviously, in a bull market, you would rather see the inflow of capital rising into the market, right, rather than declining. And unfortunately here now, folks, you can see that up till January 14th, 2022, it's been 5 weeks straight of negative outflow in the millions for the crypto space. I just wanted to start off the stream with this, as I think it's important to understand the macro picture for the market environment right now. So now that we've got that out of the way, we're going to begin here on the GBTC chart. This is the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust chart. This is a product traded in the regular traditional stock market, right? This is available on most brokerages throughout the United States. Now, this is interesting because this is a product that gives Bitcoin exposure to those that don't want to buy Bitcoin directly for whatever the reason is. Some people can't. Some types of accounts cannot purchase Bitcoin directly. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust does give individuals a chance to buy Bitcoin exposure without actually owning physical spot Bitcoin. Now, on my last stream, if you are subscribed to this channel, I was pointing out that there was a weird discrepancy here between GBTC and the regular spot BTC chart. And that is that GBTC has actually been front-running the regular BTC chart. Now, on my last stream, I pointed out this very interesting occurrence here where we see on the GBTC chart, Bitcoin on a macro level actually created a lower high, whereas on the spot Bitcoin chart, BTC created a higher high, right? This peak up here on the spot price was 65,000, and the next peak was roughly at about 69,000. Yet here on the GBTC chart, we saw a lower high, okay? And right now on GBTC, we're seeing a much harder, more steep sell-off occurring here than we are in the spot chart. Now, this is interesting because GBTC trades at a premium on the rise, and it can trade at a discount on the lows. But I think this is a very interesting metric to understand, folks, because when you're trading around an asset like Bitcoin, it's possible that these derivative type products here can front run the price. And compared to the spot Bitcoin chart, which we're going to take a look at in a moment, which is still possibly finding macro support, you can see that the GBTC chart right now is starting to lose structure. Right? We're dropping below critical areas in this chart. And for me, folks, beyond the level that we're at right now, the next serious level of importance for me is down between $20 and $16 USD. I mean, you can see there's a ton of confluence here connecting tons of peaks back into even 2018 and 2019. There's just not a whole bunch of price action confluence below where we're at right now. And the fact that we're not finding support up here, to me, folks, is an absolute warning shot fired. And I had comments on the last stream, of course, from the little Jimmies of the world. Kirby, well, don't you get it? These things trade at premiums and discounts. That's the whole point why I'm showing you this, Stunad, is that I'm observing that right now the discount is getting even more discounted, right? We're not seeing people pay a premium for a Bitcoin exposure product right now. We're seeing people trying to get rid of this thing and get rid of it fast. So that could tell you something about the spot market, which is more liquid and has a higher market cap, and in general has a ton more trading volume. So this product for me right now is certainly something that I'm keeping my eye on. And with this indicator that we're going to look at in a moment, folks, wow. Just wait, because I shocked you all on the last stream with the line break chart on the weekly time frame. If you did not catch my last stream, folks, Make sure you subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all right now so you don't miss any more of these videos. But on my last stream on the spot Bitcoin chart, I pointed out this line break chart. Maybe I'll show you again at the end, but right now I'm going to show you another absolute banger of an indicator here in terms of what I'm personally looking for to try and pick a low point, a bottom for the Bitcoin price moving forward. So let's get into that indicator right now, and we'll go back over to the Bitcoin spot chart. So here we are back to the BTC USD ticker, and what we're going to look at here, folks, is the CM Williams VIX fix. This is a custom indicator on TradingView. Now, what this is looking for essentially is the overall amount of volatility in the market. And when it turns green like this, it's figuring that, hey, it's possible based upon relative volatility that we could be in somewhat of a bottoming formation here, right? Now, I told you on the last stream how just crazy accurate the line chart was on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. Now, I want you to take a look at this one, folks. Just take a look at all the times that this has turned green, and then we actually did form somewhat of a bottom, right? Many times here. I mean, it's not perfect. There are no certainties or guarantees in trading. There is no magic indicator, but you could see how this thing is picking relative lows quite often. And right now, as you can see here, we are nowhere near the green right now. This doesn't have to mean anything, but what I'm stating is that in terms of the relative volatility, suggesting that we could be nearing a bottom and or a bottoming type of formation, this indicator in particular is just not seeing that right now. And it perfectly picked the last bottom here. Sure, you had to wait a while. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to 11 weeks we had to wait in that bottoming formation. But the whole time here on the weekly time frame, this indicator was flashing green, right? So I just wanted to put this on your radar because, as you should all know, I showed you this line break chart here on the weekly time frame. Now, the line break chart is only looking for when a line breaks. Now, you can look up how this works on your own time. I just want to keep the video short here. But when we've seen the selling end and the candle on the weekly time frame line break chart go from red to green, more often than not, we have seen continued upside action, right? It's just time and time and time again. We have seen this over and over and over and over and over again throughout many different cycles. Again, nothing is perfect. Take a look at that one there. We had one more green candle up and then we plunged. But then take a look at the next one. Whoopsies, ripped to the upside. Then over here, whoopsies, ripped to the upside. Even into the current day, folks, right here on that dump, whoopsies, ripped to the upside. And even this little dip right here, it turned green and we had another 4 green candles to the upside. Now, we're not seeing a green candle yet here, right? We haven't seen one. In order for this to be created, the price would have to move up substantially to create a green candle. But what I'm saying is, in conjunction here with the line break chart, and as well as this indicator here, which I was showing you, I'm just not seeing right now that there necessarily has to be a bottom coming in right at this moment. And especially with the chart I showed you earlier, showing that as of just 4 days ago, we're still seeing negative outflows in the hundreds of millions in the crypto space. Well, this to me, folks, is another absolute warning shot fired. And as well, if we do go over here to the GBTC chart, I just want to show you this indicator here on the GBTC as well. You can see, even though there is a discount and the trading is different on this product than it is on spot, we did see the bottom come in on the green again. This first dump on this huge rally up, right? We saw it turned green and it picked the bottom there. It picked the bottom right here. Relative bottom. Sure, we dropped lower, but look, I mean, the massive dump ended. We traded sideways. It picked the bottom over here in December of 2018 to a T, right? So even on the GBTC chart, this Williams VIX fix indicator on the weekly time frame has been pretty spot on accurate. Of course, past performance does not indicate future results, but right now what I'm trying to say is that regardless of what's going to happen in this market, and if we do wind up seeing a dump possibly even all the way down to my level here between 31,000 and roughly 28,000. And even if we drop below there, I have indicators that I'm looking at. I have things in my mind already that I'm looking at to possibly catch a bottom, right? Or, I mean, if I don't see it and we start to break levels and there are patterns and things of that nature coming in, I'm going to be looking for shorting opportunity as well to potentially crush the move to the downside, right? In these markets, ladies and gentlemen, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. Let me say that one more time for the moon boys in the back. In this market, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. And what I mean by that is that moon boys that just degenerately hodl, if we drop and drop and drop, they get wrecked, right? Bears that continue to short in a bullish uptrend get wrecked. It's the traders who have the ability to switch their directional bias on the fly, try and remove their emotion, and play the market in both directions, either up or down, depending on what they see in the chart. Those are the traders that give themselves the best chance of success, in my opinion. Now, folks, right now, if we do continue to drop, you best believe that I'm going to look to potentially crush it to the best of my ability. Little Jimmy will probably be crying, "Oh, Don, we're dropping, we're dropping." And the Don will hopefully strike gold again if this market drops. And hey, if we do see this market turn around and start to move up again, I'm going to look to potentially crush that move up to the best of my ability as well. Let's get this crypto. Now, folks, if you're not already in my VIP, I keep you up to date with all of my real-time trade setup ideas right in there. So if you've been watching this video and saying, "Hey, wow, Kirby really knows his stuff here," and if you appreciate my work, well, why aren't you in VIP yet? I'm telling you, that's where I'm going to be keeping you updated in real time with all of my exclusive trade setup ideas, entry ideas, strategy ideas, potential take profit ideas, where I put and move my stop loss ideas, everything just like that in absolute real time for you as the Don looks to potentially strike gold again. So if you're not already in my VIP, seriously, folks, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Folks, don't miss my next important VIP trade setup idea and alert, all right? And if you did enjoy here today, guys, just give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that. Also, if you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin technical analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all so you don't miss any more of these uploads. Welcome to the channel. And folks, if you could, just drop a comment. It could be an emoji, one character even. You could just say, "Hi, thanks Kirby, get wrecked Kirby, tell me which indicator you liked, the VIX fix or the line break chart. Tell me what you think about that chart I showed you earlier in the video, the outflows for crypto." Just drop me a comment down below, folks. I appreciate it. And seriously, I'll see you all in VIP right now after this video. If you're not already in there, wow, I'll see you in there right now after this. Don't miss my next important VIP trade setup idea and alert. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the link links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments. Nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Cryptocurrency is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Cryptocurrency is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Cryptocurrency may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Cryptocurrency accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Cryptocurrency recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.